Alright, so here we are. We're still in number 3. We're doing step G. This is add a filter to each of the columns and sort the data by last name. So, what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all of this data and just this data. We're going to come up to Insert and we're going to hit Table. Okay. Yes, you want this checkbox that says My Table has headers because you included these top ones, and then hit OK. Boom. And that's what you want. You want this to look just like this as a table. And your instructions say to sort the data by last name. Okay. So that means they don't want the first name. So we're going to come up here. I'm assuming that's what they mean. And so we're going to click on this column and we're going to two-finger click it and hit delete. Alright, so now all of your data is sorted by last name. Okay. And what you can do is you can go up here just to show you what this is all about. You don't have to don't follow me on this. Just watch. You know, this opens up the options for the filter. Right now all of the students are selected. So let's say you're a teacher and you want to know what Dedinger got. So you click on Dedinger and boom. That just shows you what Dedinger got for all of his scores and the letter grade. Okay? And so anyways, we're just going to select all and leave it as it is. Alright, so this is how you want to turn it in. Okay, so we're done with step 3 completely. Step 4, complete the essays worksheet. Okay, so this is a big chunk, 90 points here. Alright. It says this worksheet will contain grades for just the essay assignments. The columns should be organized according to essay order. The scores for the essay should be a pasted link from details sheet. The rows should be organized by student, last name A to Z. We're going to skip to step D, kind of incorporate these as we go. Anyways, I just read through the instructions and I think I have an understanding of what's going on. First off, I think this is a typo because the detail sheet doesn't have anything to do with the data. It has to come from the data sheet. Okay, that's the only place where you can get this. So anyways, follow me as best as you can. So rows are going to be organized by student last name. Okay, and it says it wants them to be paste linked. So let me show you how to do that. So we'll go up here to A2, we're going to equals, and we're going to come over to the book data tab. We're just going to click on B3 because these are the last names. All right, we're going to hit enter. And it gives you the last name of Van Dixon. We're going to bring this all the way down as far as you can. Okay, notice how there's zeros in there. That means there was no people there. Just make sure you get through these first 19 names. Okay, that's how many students are in the class. Okay, so then we're going to delete these because we don't need them. All right, we're going to, let's see here, call this last name. So just hit equals and just come back and call last name. Whoops. Enter. Boom. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Next, it says we're going to have the essay data in there. And so that we're going to do the same way as we did the last names. Okay, so we're going to hit equals up here, and we're just going to grab this top stuff because these are all the essays. So we're just going to click on this one box and hit enter. Alright, now we're going to drag this out as far as I can. Okay, just until we get all the essays. Notice how I got one beyond it and it's exam. Let's go ahead and delete that. Alright, so there should be 9 essays. Okay, click on the box below essay 1. We're going to hit equals. Come back to the data sheet and we are going to hit C3. Okay, and we're going to hit enter. And so that 18 corresponds to Van Dixon. So we're going to drag this all the way down. Okay. And if I am right, I should be able to drag this all the way across too. Yep. Because you got an 18, 23, 23, 0, 0, 0, 0. I think. 18, 23, 23, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0. Yep. Excellent. So that's how you expedite that. So we'll just go ahead and highlight all of these and drag them all the way down. Boom. And there's your data. It should match up with the other sheet. So let's just check. So 24, 25 here. 24, 25. Okay, looks like we got a good match. So now we can start playing with the data. Okay, so it says at the bottom of the column listing each essay, include the following statistical information. Max points possible, highest score, lowest score, average score, median, percentage score, letter grade. Okay, and this is a stylistic thing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these as the rows, same rows as the last names, but I'm going to put a gap in between one of them so they all spread out. Actually, probably shouldn't do that. You know what? Let's just go ahead and do it. Well, you know what? We don't have to. Oh, man. You know what? Just follow me. We're going to do it this way. So it equals here, and we're just going to grab the max points possible. That was also on this sheet, okay? And it should be this one right here, okay? That's SA1. I mean, they're all 25 points, it looks like, so it really doesn't matter. Okay, boom. And we're going to drag this all the way across. Okay, 25 all the way across, just like we checked. And just for ourselves, we're going to put max points possible right here. Possible. We're going to have to delete that later because I don't think that's what your teacher wants. But just for our sake, we're going to do that. And we're going to put these other ones down here too. So highest score, lowest score. Highest score, lowest score, average score, median, percentage score, and it says letter grade. Okay, make this wider. All right, so just so we know what's going on, I think we'll have to delete these later, but leave the data. So just follow me again. It's kind of how this Excel stuff is. All right, so highest score, what we're going to do is we're going to be in this box, we're going to hit equals, and we're going to hit the function max, and we're going to come back to this sheet here. Actually, we don't even need to do that. Scratch that. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to hit equals max, open parenthesis, and we're just going to highlight all of these numbers. Okay, don't include max points possible. All right, and then close parentheses, hit enter, boom. The highest score was a 25, and Mr. Heppel got it. Excellent. Okay, so we're going to drag that across. That should stay consistent. Boom. And we can double check these answers. So 23 looks like the highest score for SA7. Yep. 24 looks like the highest score. It happened twice for SA9. Excellent. So we know that's good. All right, lowest score, same idea. Min, open parenthesis. Make sure you grab all this data down to A20. All right, close that parenthesis, hit enter. Boom, lowest score was a 0. There it is, there's a 0. Okay, let's drag it across. Make that happen for everyone else. Okay. Looks like 0s were the lowest scores for these other ones. 7 was the lowest score in SA3. There's 7. I don't see any score lower than that. Okay, our numbers are right. Average score equals average, open parenthesis. Grab these numbers all the way to 20. Boom. Hit close parenthesis. Hit enter. Okay, average score is a 20. Drag this across. Boom. There's your averages. All right. Next, median equals median, open parenthesis. Drag, so highlight all of these numbers down to 20. Same process. Boom. Hit enter. Drag this across. All right. This is where Excel gets really nice, and you can really speed up with a lot of data. Boom. Those are all your median scores. Okay. Hit Command S. Save your worksheet. Okay. Can't stress that enough. All right. We're going to stop here for now, and I'll give you the next, we'll do 6 and 7 for the next video.